Need to time an activity or workout? Let's explore how to use the stopwatch feature on your iPhone. Hi, I'm Siok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to use the stopwatch on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the clock app on your iPhone. Tap on the stopwatch tab at the bottom of the screen. On the stopwatch screen, you will find a green start button. Tap this green start button to start the stopwatch. As the stopwatch runs, you can record lap times by tapping the gray lap button next to the start button. To stop the stopwatch, tap the red stop button that appears in the place of the start button. Finally, to reset the timer, tap on the gray reset button that appears instead of the lap button. And this is how you can use the stopwatch on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.